You tell say a baby din because they say
okay
7 fast me because me mom slate numbers say o me trim
okay
me born off head dia chiro
okay
say all contribute say because e be so contribute to snit
okay
o contribute to snit ada say what snit card and I say snit number on
okay
to be me dey pass say
or what senator you so
number na snit card they will provide the amayen never say kase say tua because information omo wo money on dem contribute to snit o me tua say kana.
Because yes, sometimes I'm to make us express. Don't say, okay, say, oh yeah, health insurance. I be a one month now on Saka. A bit to make us open express, open.
It's nothing like express. They tell us yeah system no.
Okay.
So you find so called this. You call this office. You say that's what could register.
Okay.
And that's your ba when time be business be register wa. Unya register na system no ma. Enya wo no be determine say ene
on sabeka.
Yes, system na wo say the whole thing is block say head office what I say.
Okay.
Into wo what here be don't mean cause me pen express. Into my yama and na bit my use da bi.
Okay.
Wunni sa to me na wuntimi.
Okay.
Nti so wo kofa kwa me se ko jobi ska sabe na ebu no obu no. Si staff bia yes na ebu no obu nipa no. Because
they said ye can hospital say omo I think say health insurance ebi mo so sa na omo de mo nyina enye mo nyina de but ebi mo so faculty kwan so ebu nkofo
yeah staff wona o kan
yes
ne chene say no ese fie bia mensa wo na me to the best of my knowledge me translate enko sa obi ati say cause name na chene say me hu bi da
okay
your staff say we kwa so wakojiska no this e bia na nko bi nya nkoduro se ne wo kan say me contribute to snake yet me ko bi as this office we say me tieska at least in said that day be nipa alternate to the person who nie na ka say be smesi e ba ne say na o smesi we ba hanom o so contribute to snake na o giniska how dey bit maka wasam me mo prepare the mintimi nyino on ka say me hu ko me hu bi da
okay
in me staff wa ya chene say or be register to be register is wajuska
okay
nipo was a person contribute to snitch debi
okay
nimo obi to be confidence you know the bad year how the no a bit manya so there ya so na say obi kan ya ka for
okay obi be say obey onye health insurance da afi no pese obey niam be na wo so de ba na mo resum ye ma no
okwa nipa no date of birth details any here ma basically and date of birth
okay
so wudi ni me date of birth ni
okay
so ebu ono ma ja on pass na bia kwa so ne bakola na so yeah if I say the website do be mana kwa o de ko
okay
so and I say in fact see say wo obi no register da the best tutu wo Ghana card fako
Ghana card nko ati
Ghana card kwa the question say Ghana card say virtually taking over from your card no so what do you Ghana card na so ko say yema was ene ya sa make us get free we are Ghana card na your health insurance card to come
and so
and our card no pon it me link health insurance card no both cards na
okay
it me link no your link ni we are up health insurance so beto no baby
okay now o the Ghana card na ye
baby
wow your online registration health insurance and no it say
they tell say your app on
okay
they say first part on like say first part na is a ma boko say your office be on ma boko no then the pan go can boko no cute tin
say na the protocol mamiska na menyama odemo na
so we ka you want to kulu beba ma ka bia ka on beba
yes
so aja obi e pentam ni pa isi do so
because me ka that time no na mi swapa na me papa de ko
good
omo je bribe
say ho de aja
omo je ska no me pentam obi ba omo pentam dia
say to be a kan kure enye staff no be demand o because you know brabo ne ka brabo na take an give an ticket no you know what I say
okay
to be a ono no papa go come ma so me pentam
na mo de na ni ba o
to mo nyama no de bibi aba so nti if be an kwese yen krofo mu na ko say but wa also give up pentam also de kwa na o de money pa na ono age
okay it's yen share app no okay
my NHIS app o be a pet tituwa we so 100 for bia
okay o be download it
o cost bit model adiare registration na o wie
okay
no so
nti akwa be so abefa so a o be
akwa be do be no so tua wa so tua yi no app no be kire say because have
Senate anyway.
But where you need to pay payment,
they will let you know.
Also, you also scan a crowd.
Mobile money. Okay.
Maybe I'm a hold the honomatia.
Okay.
Well, also contribute to Senate. No.
Okay.
You need
to request your Senate number.
That's all we are done.
And fill it out from Sinivia. The nearest.
You're not a card. That's all.
Okay.
That's
no card.
That's what.
Well, when they say they easy. Okay.
In fact, I say the kaka say health insurance no admire ko na admire ba.
Yeah.
To be aba person ko for the chassis. Na maka to so na difference won pass see ye na medical no ka no. Say aba na hihye mu pa no. Odwen say you be promotive and preventive.
Okay.
Say ma yare no cause yare ya. Men son ko yare ansana. Okopa yare hwe. Because I hear mu no sikasem wom.
Yeah.
I hear mu no etim ko ya say wan hwe mpa no ko hwe okra. Enti why do you sit down so ko yare ansa? Enti hono in fact ye kapa nka hia pa because wan ko yare a obo ho ban na onko yare mpo na se be ko sika. So enti aban no hise mu pa no first one pa ye free primary health care. And as see ye ni abra ye bo ho dawo kitikiti no. And na o de jana by such a way say wa umpo ni health insurance card no wan kasa ko free better free we are na ko nemum me se wo ko nim no obehia health insurance card no the number 1 pa na ye free primary health care say ni nyina in fact ye pa na say World Health Organization or more target one say or see minya universal health coverage they tell say akwa say population wo Ghana nyina at least emu 80% they will say to register omo no mutumi nya ayarehwe omunya access to health is sakura no emu 80% there or see it minya by close of 2030 by ye de na atwa be animu senka afi we nkwa wiye ye ntroma we have them put no no afi we nkwa wiye no na ye wie etimanya universal health coverage no 80% ni enya ye gususu ye bohu da wunti ye humo kitikiti as I speak I'm saying number 67%.
Wow.
Na senior AC kono me ye mo gidie pass afi we nkwa wiye no ni ensaka ebio nti free primary health care no everyone ma na say you move for creative part na say wo yare na okoya yare hwe no na okoya na koja yare hwe no nei chief executive ni ode ba pa ba ko na ye kan wasem sisi ano say be hwe hu say obi nkoja yare hwe ma nkutu sika hu
wa bro cry health insurance
nkoja yare say nkutu sika hu da enti you free primary health care level na okọ creative na baby health insurance wo kọ na yakosa yare no baby ye adi pa wo ye baby amafu tu sika hu no na chief executive wate a whole directorate.
Okay.
Some more when the me dey jam on say mo hwe hu say sa de ne betu ase kra some man fo nya konko so ko jare na wakotweska hu no wan kompo na nkaye minim ko mo se gu muti ofropa na se gu niti enti ne toso pa mi do pa no ne toso mi esa ye mahama care no
okay
so no Ghana Medical Foundation so now they no netini o se yare no gugum nti abai ni nyansam ne se o de ayina kwese 3 tier health no mu no o da makora kwese 3 tier 3 tier na kwese wenie now first one here free primary health care no na me se wo hojojo akọ ya nyo hwe abandi adi kan de kwa dada nti try ya free you say you must select ya shase you must select bunise must select. In fact, all in all, Ghana in 150 districts. No, my chassis, ya chassis, and your policy, ya chassis. Yeah. Now, I buy the India Musiciano or select 150 districts. Ntihano also because it's meant for the vulnerable in particular. Now, what shall Bunny is saying, no, my vulnerable pano, a poor district. Poor district, I hope someone, and no,
yeah,
poor is in the west.
Okay. Ye come down so.
You know ye hono come down so yesene. Yesene west and east.
Okay.
But ye ye prime. Two east and west and prime. And ye san cross ni nyina no. Omo ka ho bi. Na ba atebu amanten.
Okay.
Na okọ sene west and east.
Okay.
And ye come down so na kajeji mo no. And no select wo mo. Nti wo mo de no ya sha ase with the free primary health care no. Tinderin days see I call ya baby or no just go to any clinic.
Okay.
Qua any check pump or be a
me.
Well, only have insurance card in Poa free.
Be show.
Free primary and your creative no do have insurance. Yeah, so you know what that no. Yes, or no, you know, because I want to ba pa ye pa or dear body. Now, the tariffs and you can once no say tariffs and scan it chama hospitals no.
Yeah.
Ah, nunti e na mo dwen say e mo bo ayifo ya poi. I omoko pay patients okobo mo po no.
Yeah.
Once na me ka say to da bia sabi private in particular private facilities no.
Yeah. Hospitals.
Women know say they are there for business.
Okay.
Sekanti number women yesabe for Christmas on this catch. Na to be so so the concept say ya na sika de ma wo nesa. Because no be one ma oko oyimpa regional stores so unya.
Okay.
So they buy it from the open market.
Okay.
The open market no so sabi almost nyina sika na mo pe. Into to no say ya no rebu on boarding.
Okay.
So no. Into ono akoto ado no na say okasa onfa ma below ye de na tuama o na
obeboka. Okay.
So no.
Okay.
Enti na mo de bia kototo so no. So but nyame cha de ye new chief executive on the management oma pija tourism from between 120% to 180.
Oh, okay.
Enti sana everyone said na first panel attention this ye the code 220 minimum of 220. Yeah, the 12 is account that's I hope so because or a minimum of 120% to 180.
Okay.
It's na attention this na tuama she said minimum could be to 220 de ma.
Wow.
Na 220
quite
more 220 be and promise minimum no
minimum I
between 120 to 180%.
Oh, okay.
A new chief executive was in the management at the back of the ban.
Okay.
Say yeah, won't question some franco bo obiapo.
Wow.
Because the open said the amount.
Yes.
So enroll any service in your pigeon preoccupy who
but to say the kind Kobe Binidia we cram up pigeon ono on just still now cause obebu apo na I think sir we na mo say
in fact with him yeah can na you say implement sa tariffs no.
Okay.
But health insurance yenyensem no ye hu say bibini dia wo jan say dia ben be for kan bi so e dia mo.
Okay.
Enti ye de hihye bia ba very soon ye pese to ni nyina wie a afi ni asase say this tariffs no ba be adwuma because tariffs we no say this ma wo say so 120% to 180.
Yeah.
Na so nipa kasa so so de bu a e be twesika bone na de ma omo. Nti ye de system bia to kwan a wo kosro ba enei se me ansa na wo be course to wonom no. Ye wo ade bia wo be generate code bia wo be generate.
Okay.
One kasa wo your phone. So the by yam na so be generate.
Okay.
Wo ni phone po be generate the amount. Now the say code no be course to. And the be so de train nipa naka. So no then the be call your honom be call of the street. So to turn to training so that ye ma kwan ma ye metwe ses kakase we san ma na wo wi a wasan fa kwan bi so asa ba be no mo yaka ho nti ye den tutu to sasa je we say enko basa bi oda na bi o me ka say o sa task force no de aba no directorate no directorate nsu ye pa na say e be hwe hu say this time ye mpene emma mu ye nti mo pe so bi complain baby was escalate ko do bi ko do wi a wo ho no ma na aba asmasi nde so gini ska sei pass ma ada so ska be ma no se court maka se finally ko wi kra the west of forum be ko court.
Okay.
There you also je ya you free them no o se be di constitutionalize on ya je ya ma ko intinu ni adwuma ma ni ya je kra no ya ma ko.
Okay. All right, Shaggy, next question.
My next question no yeah. Almost say what study bibia say na da you reckon no at times yeah your hospital no and na you could share problems no.
Okay.
Na say bia you complain dem omo but say me say almost the omo wo team bia omo ho mo check hospitals no say
and I think year no.
Oh, okay.
Papa be say yes last be 2-3 weeks ya your clinicians are ye two omugum.
Yeah.
Omuba be wi na ya o jema ne ayimo. I want to say hospital bako ho say ye ba ya bejo be 5,000 de ma no.
Ai.
Ti your clinicians omo tigum clinical audit omo ba omo tigum na ye o yankwa yankasa nkrofo wa no ma. Uba regional office ya two omugum. E man your officers na so fe mumrejes no. Ya checha de bu ya ma obi ya nti omo ko o ma ye quality assurance so ne manager wonom ono so call facilities ne saa o kona se challenge bi wonom a o call amafo complain a o put ni nyina down ba bi o so twa report no o tro ne quality ne the court office ne mum ye oni pa so ye dispatch mo free head office clinicians clinical audit ndo mo call hospitals no mo call ya ko farm folders ne ahwe ma bi wonom a ma me dia me se ye ko hunu yi se ye ko farm folder ne ahwe ma fine afi yankasa ba so for the nipa ne phone number also okay ame SMS ya fro adwusu ana no say be afini na busumi se no call emphasis Holy Family Hospital o ko di ne sie also me ko we na ko we use ka also me twa 5,000 me ka for Holy Family make
example
also me twa 5,000 okay that's it asa
okay
ennawie evidence no honum go you be on plan fact wo ahwe kasa no mpom robeba because me koye program bi ba bia nipa no kan pom blank se mo pa mo mai kwan yankasa yemra mo studio no se ne ka ya ne fa evidence mra ti nyanya evidence ni wi a asafe de maba hospital management no esmasi that's oba say mo records say e bia mo gini 20 enso mo gini 50
okay
ono no receipt no de ba so enti ade makopa enye pa ni because you see okoto ade a no kwasa me say the pepempa say nyese ade no nye bia for conversion ato a so far they also tuaka me boa na utuaka so de na o ma no o nipa no receipt enti ya chief of my baba ko pan patients no so my clients no say o corner so kutuska bia insist on the receipt insist on a receipt because I was second what you
yes
me pacho I do was mom receipt na that be because me fancy documents there yes documents don't lie
yes
so me buy nini 20th of blah 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 me buy say sika utu ni waje wade ojo receipt na da honom e tse bia hoko bibia ho papa receipt ni o SOMPA no nti me sro atiefo ene your clients no patients so mo kwa obi akwaje obi sika bia omomodi ase ombe yesensen
omo de beje
afi kwa ho ba side npo registration ya kan wase bisi ya so ka so bia beju sika na ka so ye crop bit magic say system aba say ye kon cashless
Munsiano
ya see help us so ko this officer ko isa fiscal cash ko show bi ensem bio
okay
until make sure say sika no wow informal one sika na wo phone so wo ye pe ast na ko ya council street
nti new phone so na
fiscal cash de debi idea say management dey aba
okay
yam because you want to because I didn't na bo mani pa for kwambi so what you say sika say best kasema e cross ya asefo fro dey mo ko rasa senuma onu obi ani asem bia say management ni hom da baba kono no ya dey app aba system aba say they share this is office obi no obey any this is be necessary say be say the public trackers no but do na there you make sure say is the phone the person has money on his or her phone or you pay at a cool system no asa
no
the problem solved
okay all right ye besaba mesaba isi na was here hwe mo challenges so how mo phone but answer na no I'm enjoying you know mo jiska on be training na aka on be jiska anti yeah
how the onim say you are or the opa ko managers app yi okay be one ma a medicine lesson no one ya first one we show Android phone na o kwa medicine lesson e be ya to tin no trust in show ye bu nsu keke so twa uka
anti meaning say
me ka no person na me ka say mpo se wo ko ye be pa ye ko papa o ye se ye ko pa ye ko yi na se wo ko twa fufu ya me ka say surgeries whole of surgeries akase kolebu de be to no nya senkuma surgeries ahodo obayi a ye betua ho ka no eso se no mpo ye tua for free a let alone ye bonsu
chale yes
enu se sabase enu sia enu ye fa se malaria gumie no
okay
oh your simple malaria onom what I say any would bit ma kan to them bit ma kan malaria be wonom antina ya na say 443 bi na so sadu no for simple malaria
okay
enti no ye nya de be che wato se be bit ma kan wato malaria be kan wato
okay
ebi ano de pa eno say ebi a to hospital ne yebo nro yebo nsuo ni na say for mom what I said what to medication so that 2 hours for some time and sana and so hospital board ma okwa wonim say simple malaria no I felt that be zoom opa obesa so obeji wato tintina obo nsuo all because of permission juice ka me wan only say simple malaria simple malaria wo yin antibiotics bia wo tamak abese enye simple no say hold the near but me minimum of 3 days in trouble sa yes I know den kakra
okay
what I say the rural blast stream when you catch what I say then the jo to no problem and on the antibiotics na se for mo but near simple and about mama na dose for 3 no could baby no sla wa for so come be antibiotics antibiotics na se for kan or for cause no juice because antibiotics no boarding
I say mo
simple malaria ya monsio ensu bobi anim this ye monsio debi simple ma bibi anim ya ma for 3 me catch wudi na should go straight intina wo say mo wo no ma o ya advert ya moton ya am ka say wonum duro be wonum adu
food and kwa so ya be juice ka me say
food and go mo jiska ba bi
30 cities no omo je me say me ane de me Ashanti region
ane ti na ye bon da mo say
na de me du ba be say nipa no hu say na me yensentro ni nti me ya na me yi me wo ka che be say because na just baby ko no me am won to me so a ensure no mo enro we ni ade and am say na de me am ko doctor ne say debi na ya obi abeko hospital ade enye won am say ya bo me ko iti I think say send your mo si treat ayaw for no enye yeah
me aka sabe ko Medina polyclinic ye fene kekle na me ko ya da so need to have insurance and be free back until wa prescribe no nyina ma mawie na o prescribe na me free mo anam sa we have insurance cover ne ba ne say
okay
na kana no ba be de kana me say look here onime na me yi me card say me free CPC
okay
afide mama no bobo o ma me so na o dem ko tra na office back no ko free in charge na ba the woman na share castor me wa ya ba hospital what I say o castor tin na so debi enti sankoya me a
ko ye ni so nim yenimo
why would you do this
yenim
why would you do this because
looking at say wako hospital na wako OPD wako ji wayi nyina awie uwie ya ba bi hospital bi our region ya mu wako obi na omaye enro no watro no nyina de amase kɔ na koto no natural we be say wokɔ eso na okɔ de okɔto
na doctor
no ndo na me koto no esi utu
omo ne pharmacy no omo timi ya kanana to no na be kire so kɔ hakoto
omo na de ndo na kogu no mo so koto de koto ho de
this time the me fancy o enia ma de trok mu no okay ye share omo de abana share omo pa because kwa omo de go for nam so no time
all right